Hey everyone, Eric with Rocket H. In this video, we're going to talk about this 352 Peterbilt. This was done by Burnett Farm Toys, and this is 601532. Rings in right at the $110 range, depending on where you're buying them. This is a stock DCP truck. This was released in the spring of 2023. This is a nice long frame cab over. Comes with slightly different wheels behind as the drivers than the typical DCPs come. Also has an older style front rim to go with it. You got a cat engine underneath. You have your double air cans, air breathers, and double exhaust on the top. And then the stock visor. There's really not a whole lot of parts for these as options when they order them from the factory, so you kind of get what you get to some degree. Quarter fenders on the back, frames painted to match it. Gotta love all that. This is a stock Transcraft step deck, and it's mostly painted to match the truck. Nothing too fancy about a Transcraft because there's only a gazillion of them out there, but it's still a cool looking set. Buy them where you want them. There's 252 of these made, as I was told, and they will probably go fast. If you like them, you better go find them because they will disappear. Thanks for watching.